Hello, my name is Laney Leach. I'm an intern at Tanya in the wholesale department. My daily responsibilities include creating PowerPoint decks of competitive analysis, researching emerging brands, and sorting through samples and archives. Additionally, I accompany the sales team to Saks on 5th Avenue twice a week. I applied to many different internships on LinkedIn, but I found this was a mutual connection, so I reached out and she gave me the job in February. The office is about 50 employees. The showroom, design, marketing, production are all in one room, so it's really nice for me as an intern to see how all the different roles work. Firstly, I learned how it's important to connect with people and networking in the career development. Secondly, I learned about behind-the-scenes processes of selling the clothes. Lastly, I've learned about the fashion industry structure and marketing segments. For future interns, I recommend you must always offer to help and be an extra set of hands whenever your supervisors need you. This proactive and supportive approach in your roles will make you a valuable team member and provide you with invaluable learning opportunities. Thanks.